All right. A tremendous team effort tonight. Really fighting for that 3 points. And what do you think about the team performance?
Well, I mean, it wasn't what we really wanted, but we stuck to the task, stay behind the ball, and play what we need to play to get these 3 points.
A performance from you tonight as a captain on the pitch at such an old age, really putting in the work like that. And what do you think about your performance?
Well, it's a regular routine for me to come out here and play very well for my team, just to help them to execute their goals. Because as you could see, it was a very tough game for us, and I know that I had to stand out tall to help my team go over the line.
How important is it for you guys to come out victorious in a game like this, where 3 points is really important? It doesn't really matter the performance.
Well, it was very important, because we're coming off for like maybe 5 games without a win, and we know that we have to keep the teams behind me, all the way behind me.
I win tonight, keep you guys close in the top 6 region. You know you guys don't want to come out of that the talk where something like to happen. How important is this now, building some momentum going to the latter stage of the competition?
Well, I mean, this is what we wanted, to get 3 points all the time we come out here to play. It doesn't matter who we play against. We want to keep on getting 3 points. We're gonna stay in the bunch for the playoff.
All right.
And just tell me you have to do this with 10 men tonight. How difficult was that?
Well, it was a very difficult task, knowing that the team of the team was running really hard. I mean, we just have to use our experience to guide the younger players on our team to get through this game.
And your leadership in all of that tonight?
Well, you know, Xavian Virgo, I always lead on the field every time we come out here to play. I mean, we just want to help the team to go to the next round, each step by step, game by game. The experience will always show out there.